Hi guys, this is Peter at We Are Airstream of Chandler Superstore here in beautiful Chandler, Arizona. I wanted to show you one of the new units we just got in. This is a 25-foot flying cloud with the hatch and our new Varidesk option. So we have the awning on this particular flying cloud out. The awning is a standard feature on all of our traditional shaped trailers, as well as we have a back awning and a side awning as well. All of our trailers also have a tankless hot water heater, and on this particular unit we have twin beds on the inside, which gives us some different exterior storage options. So you have mimic storage on each side of the trailer, including a large storage at the front as well. So on this other side of the trailer, we have the mirrored external storage option, as well as every one of our trailers comes with an outdoor shower, fill port right here. This is a perfect place to show you one of the awning package features. Very easy to pull out and then put right in. So this is a presentation kind of thing, and it also allows a lot of shade around the windows on hot sunny days. So here at the back of the trailer, perfect time to highlight the rear camera, which comes standard on every one of our traditional shaped Airstreams. But what I really want to show you is this back hatch. This is an amazing feature which allows the outside in or the inside out, either way you want to look at it. So with this up and the screen down, it allows for some amazing experiences sitting right here, having some breakfast, lunch, or dinner on a beautiful night, or maybe even a gentle rain kind of coming down. It really reminds you that you're camping. So with the back hatch feature, it comes with a table with two removable stanchions here. The table can go down and still make for a sleeping area, or the table can come completely out to allow for egress in and out this way. You have not lost any of your storage in the back bumper, but the back bumper also has a textured pad on it to allow for safe and easy egress in and out. So I want to show the inside of this flying cloud. This has our Seattle Mist color, which is one of the two color schemes that we offer on the flying cloud, but what I really want to talk to you about is this awesome desk feature. So one of the awesome things about Airstream is that they really do have their finger on the pulse of what their customers want. I.e., when the pandemic started, everyone was working from home. We came up with a 30-foot flying cloud office, which had an entire office space incorporated in the back. People then asked, can we make one that's smaller? This is what we came up with. So this is a full-on workspace that's integrated right into a 25 or a 27-foot flying cloud. And the nicest thing about it is that it adjusts. So here is the desk in the fully risen position. I am 6'2", and so this is when I'm in a standing desk. This works very comfortably for me, and anywhere in between its top position and its bottom position is where it can be, so it can adapt to any size occupant in this trailer. So if sitting down is how you like to do your work at the desk, it obviously comes with this rolling chair as well, and it doesn't need to go anywhere specific when you are traveling. You have a safety strap that'll come right across, intertwine in through the armrests, and then it can just stay right there, so that way it doesn't bumble all around when you're traveling. This particular 25-foot flying cloud is offered in twin beds, and we also have it in a queen bed configuration as well. So this is just a quick tour of the 25-foot flying cloud with both the hatch and the Varidesk option. You can take a look at this model or any of our other coaches at We Are Airstream of Chandler Superstore right here in beautiful Chandler, Arizona. Please subscribe to our channel.